Imagine walking into your office tomorrow, only to discover your job no longer exists. No warning, no replacement worker, just an algorithm, quietly doing everything you used to do. This isn't science fiction anymore. It's the reality of the AI revolution. And according to a Goldman Sachs report, up to 300 million jobs could be affected by AI automation in the coming years. Artificial intelligence is no longer just helping humans. It is starting to replace entire categories of work, from writers and designers, to programmers, lawyers, and even doctors. So the real question is, which AI tools are driving this transformation? Some companies are already replacing entire teams with a single AI system. One tool, one subscription, and suddenly, the work of 10 employees can be done by just one person using AI. Let's look at some of the tools behind this shift. First, ChatGPT, an AI assistant that changed how the internet writes. Tasks that once required teams of writers can now be done in minutes. Emails, articles, reports, marketing campaigns. Many companies now use AI assistants to brainstorm ideas, draft content, and automate communication. Next is Jasper AI, a platform built specifically for marketing. Businesses use it to create advertisements, product descriptions, and social media posts almost instantly. One person with AI can now produce the output that once required an entire marketing team. Then there's Midjourney, a tool capable of generating stunning digital artwork from a simple text prompt. Design concepts that once took hours can now appear in seconds. Another powerful system is DALL-E 3. It creates highly detailed images from simple descriptions. Companies are already using it for advertising visuals, concept art, and product mockups. Video creation is also changing. Platforms like Synthesia allow you to type a script and instantly generate a realistic AI presenter delivering it on screen. And tools like HeyGen can translate videos into multiple languages, while keeping the speaker's voice and facial movements synchronized. But creativity is only the beginning. The biggest disruption is happening in highly skilled professions. GitHub Copilot is transforming software development, helping programmers write and fix code faster than ever. In the legal world, platforms like DoNotPay can automate tasks such as drafting legal letters and disputing fines. Even healthcare is being reshaped. AI systems developed by companies like Google DeepMind can analyze medical scans and detect diseases with remarkable accuracy. And in transportation, Waymo's self-driving taxis are already operating in several cities, navigating streets without human drivers. According to global research, hundreds of millions of jobs may be transformed by automation in the coming decades. But here's the surprising truth. AI isn't just eliminating jobs, it's also creating new ones. The people who succeed in the future may not be those who compete against machines, but those who learn how to work with them. Because in a world where machines can do almost everything, only one question truly matters. What can humans do that machines never will?